Meaning of 5.
5.
5.
5.
5. 5 is a numerical value that is represented by the symbol 5. It is the fifth positive integer in the natural numbers sequence and represents a set of 5 units or objects. It is commonly used in mathematics, science, and everyday life to represent quantity or position in a sequence. In addition, 5 has cultural significance in various societies, such as the 5 elements in Chinese philosophy. In summary, 5 is a fundamental numeric concept that is widely used in a variety of contexts.